New developments in a story we are following out of the south suburbs. We've learned it was an undercover gun trafficking operation that touched off a wild scene in Country Club Hills. A task force officer was a member of the Chicago Police Department. We've learned the operation ended with 2 people shot and many others under arrest. Our Darius Johnson has the latest.
Good morning. The ATF says an undercover firearms trafficking operation turned violent when suspects tried to rob federal agents. That attempted robbery then ended with 2 people shot and now 5 people in custody. Take a look at this video. ATF says the incident happened around 5:30 yesterday evening during a firearms trafficking operation near 189th Street and Loretto Lane in Country Club Hills. CBS News Skywatch captured the scene from above. You can see a large police presence in that area with the white vehicle with its doors open, taped off, and a gun with an extended clip in the street. The agency says an ATF special agent and a task force officer fired their weapons in response to what was described as an attempted armed robbery of undercover agents. ATF says 2 suspects were shot, taken into custody, and transported to area hospitals. Both of those people who were shot are now expected to be okay. ATF also says that 3 additional suspects were taken into custody at this scene. We spoke to a neighbor this morning who told us off camera that he stepped outside his home and saw the scene unfolding. That includes 3 bullet holes in the windshield of an undercover vehicle. No agents were hit. Now the FBI, Illinois State Police, and Chicago Police are all assisting with this investigation. The Civilian Office of Police Accountability is also investigating this officer-involved shooting because it appears that a Chicago police officer may have been involved. The ATF says that the investigation remains active and ongoing. Reporting in Country Club Hills this morning, I'm Darius Johnson, CBS News, Chicago.
Thank you, Darius.